Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Eka Susanti with NPM 224110106 from Management Class 22B. Here I will explain about capital market. The capital market is an activity related to public offerings and securities trading. Public companies relate to the securities they issue as well as institutions and professions relate to securities. Meanwhile, according to Birchlight, the capital market acts as a link between investors and companies and government agencies through counter trading instruments such as bonds, shares, and others. The capital market is the fourth oldest in Asia after Bombay, Hong Kong, and Tokyo. The reason why the Dutch government entirely built the stock exchange in Batavia was because at beginning cruciferous plantations were being built on large scale. In order for the development process to run well, the Dutch colonial government, of course, needed capital. Well, one of the sources of capital used at the time was savings from Europeans and Dutch people who had above average incomes. Capital market function. The capital market as a means of increasing capital for business. Company can obtain funds by selling shares to the capital market. The shares will be purchased by the general public, other companies, institutions, or by the government. Capital markets as a means of equalizing income after a certain period of time. The shares that have been purchased will provide dividend, part of company profit, to buyer owners. Therefore, selling shares through the capital market can be considered as a means of equalizing income. Capital markets as a means of increasing production capacity with additional capital obtained from the capital market. Company productivity will increase. Capital markets as a means of creating employment. The existence of the capital market can encourage the emergence and development of other industries which have an impact on the creation of new jobs. Capital market as a means of increasing state income. Every dividend distributed to shareholder will be taxed by the government. The additional income through this tax will increase state income. Capital market as an indicator of the country economy. The increasing solid activity and volume of sales or purchase in the capital market indicates that the business activities of various companies are running well. Vice versa. Capital market investment instrument. The capital market is also known as the stock exchange. In it, you can find various types of securities that are traded every day. These types of securities include share of securities that are proof of ownership of a company. Investors who own shares in a company are entitled to receive dividend or profit sharing. Mutual funds are known as investment instruments that serve as a forum for collecting and managing the funds of several investors. The funds are then managed by investment managers into various instruments such as money markets, bonds, shares, or other securities. Debt securities or bonds. You can also get securities in the form of bonds on the capital market. ownership of the securities can be transferred, and the holder has the right to obtain interest and repayment of the debt within a predetermined period. Exchange Trade Funds (ETF). ETF securities actually have similar to mutual funds but are collected collectively. However, EFT can be traded on the stock exchange like share. Derivatives. Furthermore, there are also securities in derivative form. These securities are known as derivative or share. There are two types of derivatives that you can find in the Indonesian capital market, namely warrant and rights. Benefit of capital market. The capital market has benefit for issuer parties conducting a public offering, namely securities offering made by issuers to sell securities to the public based on the product regulated in the applicable laws. As well, for investor, benefit of capital market for issuer, the amount of funds that can be collected is large. These funds can be recovered at when the primary market is finished. There are no covenants, so that management can have more freedom in managing funds or company. The company solvency is high, thereby improving the company image. The issue dependence on banks becomes smaller. Benefit of capital market. For investor, investment value grow following economic growth. This increase is reflected in the increase in share price, with active capital gains, obtained dividends for those who own or hold shares, and also floating interest for bondholders can simultaneously invest in several instruments that reduce the risk of bonds as a profitable investment product. Bonds are in the form of debt statement issued by related parties, usually from the government or corporations, but can also be issued by individuals. Bond as the best investment product can also be applied for long-term and short-term investment types. The main activity of the capital market is a place where there is market activity for various long-term financial instruments that can be bought and sold, both in the form of debt, equity shares, derivative instrument, and other instrument. Long-term financial instrument include shares, bonds, warrants, rights, convertible bonds, and various derivative products such as option, put, or call. In general, the meaning of the capital market is an organized financial system including commercial bank and intermediary institution in the financial sector, as well as all securities in circulation. Okay, that's all the explanation for me. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.